A special highlight of the S3 is the particular emphasis that was given to the setup of the drive dynamics. To this end, we have various different components on board, such as the new Quattro drivetrain with a multi-plate clutch, the wheel selective torque control thanks to brake activation, plus the optional adaptive damper controls, and as another highlight, the progressive steering that give you an abundance of driving fun. The S3 comes with an optional adaptive damper control. You can set the various modes from comfort to dynamic. If we set them, you get this wonderful sonorous sound here as in this setting. The chassis is now readjusted selectively in compression and rebound stages, depending on drive requirements and drive situation. Another new development for the S3 is the weight-optimized electro-hydraulic multi-plate clutch, which gives you the means to shift torque from front to rear axle, theoretically 100%. We have an adaptive damper control that allows you to set the different drive modes. These settings can be tweaked in very fine time increments in the compression and rebound stages, depending on your need.
The S3 with 310 horsepower and an acceleration from 0 to 100 in 4.8 seconds is the sporty variant in our A3 family. And that is why it was very important to us to present an emotional highlight with high driving dynamics and a sporty design. In the S3 we therefore have a lot of equipment and functionality as standard, such as the S-specific sport suspension, the progressive steering, the Audi Drive Select, and the sport seats with integrated headrests. Also 18-inch alloy wheels as standard. In the Edition 1, which comes in Tango Red, we have 19-inch alloy wheels, carbon mirror housing, and also a carbon spoiler in the back. Both the Sportback and the Sedan have a 4-flow exhaust system, and with this very complete package we try to address all our young and tech-savvy customers who look forward to such a dynamic and emotional car.
INGOLSTADT. The route is being calculated.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.